Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to switch between games. As you can see right now, we have a lot of mods on this. Damn. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna save this car right here, then I'm just gonna exit the game so we can actually, so mostly I use this to actually exit the game like that. So what you're gonna do after closing the game, you're gonna open the game files. You're gonna go where if you're using this, where your game file is, you're gonna say manage. You're gonna go to browse local files, and this is my modded GTA. You see ls speedo menu stuff mods. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rename this. I'm gonna just put it 2 there, and you see this v1 is the clean GTA. So you see there's only like 4 folders, so I'm just gonna remove that to 1. Make sure you rename it like that. So I'm just gonna open the game like that again, and this is gonna be the clean version of the game. So guys, I just opened my game right now. As you can see, this is the same, this is the same baller that was there with this, because we remember we changed. This is the original. We can actually go online if we want to. As you can see, if this was an original, OpenIV will tell me that you can't go online. It will prevent me from going online using the modded version. As you can see, it says joining online. It's gonna bring me in a public lobby. I don't like public lobbies. We have daily challenges. There's 2 people, only me and other person on this, and a level 2. Hey guys, if this video helped you, subscribe, leave a thumbs up so you can reach more people and help them, and I appreciate you all a lot. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.